Hi dear students, in the last class we have studied about the basics of the machine drawings. So in the today's class we will discuss about the bolt and nut. So first of all we are discussing the hexagonal headed bolt. This is the hexagonal headed bolt. Hexagon means you have got a 6 sides, and here in the hexagonal headed bolt you are drawing by two way. One is across the corner and across the flat. This is the first sheet which you are drawing, that is one across the corner. Across the corner means you have got the orientation of the bolt like this. When you see from the front, you are going to see the three sides. But when you keep in the flat, you are going to see the two sides. So this is a major two difference. So that you have to consider, because in the exam they will give either across the corner or across the flat. So we will start with how you can draw the diagram. Before drawing this diagram, you must concentrate on these parameters, because these parameters plays a very important role to draw this bolt. Because this calculation is not correct, then this drawing is not going to correct. So here first main thing is D. D is equal to 24 mm. This is given in the problem. So you read the problem carefully. So how you have to understand, draw the front and top view of the ISO threaded hexagonal headed bolt and nut of 120 mm long. So what are the data that are given here? So ISO threaded hexagonal bolt consists of 120 mm length. Length of the bolt is 120 mm and thread length is 60 mm. Diameter is 24 mm. This is very important. So based on this, we are doing all the calculation here. So in this hexagonal headed bolt, what is the length of the bolt? So length of the bolt is taken apart from this head of the bolt. So from this point, here I take the pen. From this point to here, you are considering the length of the bolt, and this is the thread length of the external thread. So we will consider here how we can draw the diagram. Before this, we will have a calculation. Diameter of the bolt is 24 mm, length is 120 mm, width between the flat surface. So that is bolt W is equal to 1.5D plus 3 mm. So here you can see this W calculation is given here, 1.5D plus 3 mm. D is 24 mm. Just already explained. This is given here. So you have got a 39 mm. So this 39 mm you have to take. The thickness of the bolt head is you have got thickness of bolt head, thickness of nut. So difference is thickness of bolt head is 0.80. Thickness of nut is 0.90. So thickness of bolt head you have got 19.2. But we are taking directly round off 19. Then R1 is equal to 1.5D. So where is R1? Here is the R1. So you have got 36 mm. So thread length is already given. That is 60 mm. Okay. So like this you can take the thread length. Now I will start how you can draw this diagram. So step by I will explain, so that you can start with that drawing your drawing sheet. So here you have got already calculation 39 mm. So on your drawing sheet, so you have to plan this much area is required to draw. That is front view, right side view, and top view as per the problem. So in this, as per your plan, you take a point. From this point, draw 39 mm circle. So after drawing this, first of all, you take point here. First, draw the 24 mm circle. What is that 24 mm? This is the diameter of the bolt. 24 mm circle you draw here. Okay. So first draw the 39 mm circle, and here.
और फर्स्ट होलगी ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಸರ್
ಅದೇ ಏನ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ
ಓತನ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಮೊದಲೇ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅದು ಮೇನ್ ಐತಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಡಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಥ್ರೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
from this point to draw the 39 mm
39
circle. Sorry students, there is slight correction. So instead of I was telling D 24 I was told 39. So D, you know, 24 mm. So this 24 mm radius to take down and draw this circle. So after drawing this circle, 24 half is how much? You have got 12 mm. Take 12 mm radius and draw here divider and make here arc. And from this point 24 mm you take down and mark like this, and like this you divide it this circle and draw the hexagon. So this is the first step, and then take the another this one radius, that is by touching this edge and draw this large circle, and another you have to take 12 mm radius and draw this circle, which is the projection for this diameter of your circle, diameter of your bolt. And this is the external thread diameter radius you have to take as per the thread calculation. So thread we are not written, so we'll draw here. Maybe I think we are taking it 2 mm. So I will explain this afterwards. So first of all, you project this all the lines. So and draw this rectangle over here. After drawing the rectangle, so here already mentioned here radius 36 you take it. So from this point take the 36 mm distance. From this point you keep the radius 36 and draw here arc like this. Draw arc like this, and then you draw line here. Then you take the midpoint of this. Draw like this. So this is already you know this is 24. And you take the half of this and draw here line, and from this point you take the radius joining these 2 points. Same way you also cover this point, this side also, and from this point you draw the 30 degree chamfering you have to do. Same this side also you have to do the chamfering. Okay, so then this arc is going to head bolt head is going to be drawn. Then you draw the lines, project this diameter, draw this diameter. What is this? This is main important thing, length of the bolt. As I explained with the bolt, length is equal to 120. We are not considering the length from this point. This is major important point. Some students will take length from here to here. Length you have to consider from apart from the bolt head, that is L is equal to 120 mm. Then at whatever the distance you can take it and you can draw this nut. So drawing nut procedure is also same how you draw for the bolt head. So you draw first rectangle of thickness 24 mm, and this projection you have to do same 24 mm and draw this rectangle. Same way here. As you take an R1 is equal to 36, you take the R1 is equal to 36 distance here and draw the arc. Draw the arc here, and same way you take this line and draw line like this and take the midpoint of this and joining this point and this point, draw the arc like this and 30 degree chamfering. Same way here also 30 degree chamfering you draw like this. Same you cover this side also. This side also you have to draw the arc, and this completes the nut and draw here chamfering. Then here you have got one arc. So how to draw this arc? So here radius is given 24. So this 24 arc is given. This 24 you have to take radius from this point. From this point you keep, and where the point will come, divide the point. So draw the arc like this. So this will become the arc at the end of the bolt. And 2 mm take the pitch of the bolt, the pitch of the thread. So 1 mm this side and 1 mm this side. You draw the external thread lines here. Same you project it here. Same you project it here. So we are going to get the thread circle. Don't draw this full circle. This should be slightly gap you have to keep here. This shows this is the symbol for the external thread. So like this you have to draw this hexagonal and front view. Then what you do, you take any you do some distance here because you have to show the dimensions. So you draw xy line. Draw xy line. In this xy line, you draw 45 vertical line you show, and 45 degree line you draw like this here, and project this all the lines. Project this all the lines, and horizontally also project it. So you are going to get, and here also project like this. Here also you project. Next work is only projection. So you will get here rectangle of, but here don't draw three faces. Here you have to show only, so whichever the middle projection line is there, this will act as your middle point. And same how you draw the arc in the last point, same way you take down r is equal to 36 and find out the midpoint of this. Okay, from this point you can draw r, or don't do that all, just to project these lines and draw this line here. Take the midpoint and divide this arc, and here also you divide like this. So this will give you the top view of the bolt. And then same way here also you can do the champing. Then same procedure, project it, and this projection you will going to get rectangle like this here. Then you are going to get this arc, you have to project it here and draw the midline. Take your point and with the help of divider draw like this arc. And same way here also take the midpoint and draw the arc like this. Same you have to cover this side also. You project this and from this point draw arc like this, and here also draw the arc. Okay, so this will give you the clear idea about how you can draw the hexagon headed bolt and nut. If any doubts are there, you can type in the comment in the group. So let's once again discuss it. Thank you.